Our top stories this week. Senior Sharks recently visited Herff Jones Studio to take their official graduation photos. These photos will be part of their senior memories as they prepare to celebrate this major milestone. Sharks, show your spirit! Spring Spirit Week begins March 9th next week. In this week's episode of Brainwave, we explore how to spot fake news in today's digital age. With information spreading quickly online, it's important to learn how to verify sources, question suspicious headlines, and think critically before sharing content. Coming up next, stay tuned for Weather Watch with Alberto Medina to see what the forecast looks like for the week. We'll also check in with the scoreboard for the latest updates from Shark Athletics. And don't miss Shark Bites with Aaliyah and Alexis for more updates and reminders. All that and more right here on Wavemakers.
Confidence, creativity, commitment. Making waves the PBMA way. I'm Caleb Batista. Join us as we bring you closer to the actions and stories happening within our school community.
So don't forget to stay tuned as we bring you stories that matter. This is Zoe Cuvero, and you're watching Wavemakers.
On March 2, 2026, our senior class visited Herff Jones Studio for their official graduation photos. This moment marked an important milestone as students capture their memories that will be part of their final year and future yearbook. Dressed their best and full of excitement, seniors step in front of the camera to take photos that will represent their journey and achievements at PBMA. These portraits will not only appear in the yearbook, but will also become lasting keepsakes as the class of 2026 prepares for graduation. Congratulations to our seniors as they continue counting down the days to the finish line.
Get ready, PBMA. It's time to show your school spirit because Spring Spirit Week is coming. From March 9th through 13th, students and staff are invited to participate in a full week of fun, themed dress-up days. Remember, all outfits must follow our school's guideline in appropriate attire. If you are not participating, you must be in your regular school uniform. Let's take a look at the themes for the week. Monday, March 9th is Decades Day. Travel back in time and represent your favorite decade. Dress up in styles from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, or even the 2000s. Tuesday, March 10th is Celebrity Day. Dress up as your favorite singer, actor, or celebrity and show everyone who inspires you. Wednesday, March 11th is Teacher and Student Swap Day. Students can dress like a teacher or staff member and teachers will dress like students. Let's see who can pull off the best swap. Thursday, March 12th is Dreaming of Spring Break. It's Pajama Day. Come to school in your cozy pajamas as we start dreaming about the upcoming spring break. Friday, March 13th is Spring into Spring. Celebrate the season by wearing bright pastel, neon, or floral spring colors. Let's make this week full of creativity, fun, and school spirit. This week on Brainwave, we're talking about how to spot fake news in today's digital age. Let's learn more about this with Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Hey Sharks, welcome back to another episode of Brainwave, where we break down the strategies that help you think smarter, read stronger, and learn better. I'm Sophia.
I'm Kenzie, and today we're going to be talking about how to spot fake news in the digital age.
Every day, millions of people scroll through news on social media, websites, and apps, but here's the problem. Not everything we read online is true. Fake news spreads quickly, and sometimes it's designed to look real.
So how can we tell the difference between real news and misinformation? Here's a few simple strategies.
First, check the source. Ask yourself, is this website or account trustworthy? Reliable news organizations usually have a strong reputation and professional reporting standards.
Second, read beyond the headline. Sometimes headlines are written to grab attention, but the actual article may tell a whole different story. Always read the full content before believing or sharing it.
Third, verify the information. Look for the same story on multiple credible news sources. If only one unknown website is reporting it, that could be a warning sign.
Fourth, examine the evidence. Does the article include quotes from experts, statistics, or credible references? Real journalism is supported by facts and reliable sources.
Finally, think before you share. In today's digital world, every click and share can spread information to hundreds or even thousands of people. Being responsible online means making sure that what we share is accurate.
Fake news may spread fast, but critical thinking spreads faster. When we question sources, verify information, and think carefully, we become smarter digital citizens.
This has been Brainwave, reminding you that the best tool in this digital age isn't just technology, it's your mind.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave.
On the scoreboard, the boys basketball team at PBMA won their first round playoff game on Monday, 44-13 against the Imagine Chancellor Chargers. Calvin Claiborne scored a game-high 16 points and Jojo Janvier returned from injury with 7 points in the contest.
The boys basketball team at PBMA won their semifinal game on Wednesday, 26-23 against Franklin Boynton Beach. The Sharks took an early lead in the first quarter and never looked back. Sean Dimitro had 5 clutch baskets in the last 2 minutes of the game, and they coasted to victory from there. The Sharks will advance to the championship game for the second year in a row and will face the Somerset Wellington Wolves. A date and location is to be announced shortly. Let's go, Sharks!
Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride.
Up next is Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine, Sharks. Here's Alberto Medina. And here are some more updates from Alexis and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name's Alexis.
And I'm Aaliyah.
And here are some quick Shark updates. Calling all ocean explorers, PBMA is offering an incredible shark tag field trip in partnership with the University of Miami Shark Research and Conservation Program. Students will get the chance to experience hands-on shark tagging and marine conservation activities while learning directly from real researchers in the field. It's a rare opportunity to dive into marine science and discover how scientists protect our oceans. The trip is happening April 22nd from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it's limited to only 18 students, open to grades 6 through 12. If you're interested, stop by room 222 and see Mr. Allen to pick up your permission form. Spots are first come, first served, so don't wait.
Attention middle school students in grades 6 through 8. An exciting marine adventure is coming your way with the Marine Lab Marine Resources Development Foundation. This 2-day, 1-night Marine Lab experience will take students into the world of marine science and activities like seagrass, mangrove ecology field trips, coral reef exploration, and hands-on marine biology labs. Students will even learn about invertebrate diversity and coral reef ecosystems while working with real marine science educators. The program costs $350 per student and includes instruction, field trips, snorkeling gear, dinner, and breakfast. Possible trip dates include April 27th through the 28th, May 11th through the 12th, and May 20th through the 22nd. Interested? See Mr. Allen in room 222 for more information.
Get ready to turn up the vibes because the Spring Teen Dance is happening on March 13th from 6 to 8 p.m. Enjoy great music, food, and drinks, and non-stop dancing all night long. So grab your crew, bring the energy, and we'll see you on the dance floor.
Calling all PBMA students who love plants, teamwork, and positive energy. If you enjoy getting your hands in the soil, learning how to grow plants, and working together with friends, the Gardening Club is the perfect place for you. Come grow with us. Meeting time is at 3:45 p.m. For more details, please see Coach Lefebvre and Sophia Varallo. Let's plant, grow, and make our campus greener together.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keep everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all of Wavemaker's episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
That's it for this week's Quick Shark Updates.
Back to you, Zoe.
And now for our quote of the week. The expert in anything was once a beginner.
That sums up this week's episode of Waymakers. Your stories, your voice, our commitment. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible.
For more updates, visit us online at PBMA's official YouTube and Facebook accounts. Delivering campus news with accuracy and integrity. This is Zoe Quevedo.
And I'm Caleb Batista. This has been
Wavemakers.
Have a great weekend, Sharks.